Get ready for some crazy animal facts that will blow your mind. And if you want to be lucky today, hit that subscribe button for more wild facts. Number 1. Chameleons don't change color to blend in, but to communicate and show their emotions. Number 2. Whales are the loudest animals on Earth, and their calls can be heard over 1,000 miles underwater. Number 3. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight, and they can eat up to 1,000 insects in an hour. Number 4. Sloths move so slowly that algae grows on their fur, making them look green. Number 5. Honeybees can recognize human faces, and they can communicate with each other by dancing.